Dymatize is a pretty well-known name in the supplement game, producing bars, protein powders, mass gainers, creatine, glutamine, and everything in between. ISO 100 is a hydrolyzed whey, which means that whey isolate, the lowest fat, lowest calorie form of whey, has been run through the enzymes that break it down into a form closer to its base amino acids. That means it digests more quickly than your standard isolate. And while a lot of people emphasize that that is important for post-workout, I think it might be even more useful if you're the type to consume whey before or during a workout. Dymatize Nutrition says ISO 100 is fast-digesting hydrolyzed 100% whey protein isolate, available in tons of flavors and developed with the proven amounts of protein and BCAAs per serving. It tastes good considering how nutritious the product is, but it's not surprising that this product doesn't taste amazing. With such a low level of sodium at 50 milligrams per serving and less than 1 gram of sugar per serving, it's hard to make a product still taste good. Right off the bat, Dymatize Nutrition envision ISO 100 as a premium protein source. 25 grams of whey protein isolates and hydrolyzed whey protein isolates will ensure very fast absorption. You can expect your recovery and muscle building efforts to progress significantly when you take this supplement, especially if you're a bodybuilder. We would like to hear which of these products you like the most and why, so please put that in the comments section below.